Hello everyone! Welcome back po sa aming channel. Happy Monday! Andito kami ngayon sa aking mga in-laws kasi may inaayos si Mr. yung topsoil na binili niya last time. Kung napanood nyo yung aming vlog during that day, ano yun yung sa Mother's Day celebration namin. Inaayos niya and nililinis niya din yung pickup truck. So yung weather today is 19 degrees Celsius, kaya lang medyo chilly siya kasi walang araw. And medyo mahangin. So ito si Zeta. Andito kami ngayon sa loob ng minivan kasi napapagod ako maglakad-lakad. And ang daming lamok. Parang first time ko tong na-experience na ang daming lamok dito. Pero yun din kasi siguro yung isa sa mga downside pagka sa countryside ka nakatira. Yun yung mga insekto. Pero buti naman si Zeta is naka long sleeves naman siya and naka leggings. So medyo protected siya sa mga lamok. And parang hindi naman dito uso ang dengue. Hindi katulad sa Pinas. Mamaya siguro maglakad-lakad ulit kami. Si Zeta naglalaro. What's that? What is that? Papa. Close. Eat. Kanina dumaan kami doon sa may gas station. Bumili kami ng donuts. Nakita nyo ba yung lumilipad-lipad na yan? Ewan ko kung nakikita nyo sa camera. Yan, lamok. Ay, hindi ko inakala na magkakaroon din pala ng mga lamok-lamok dito. Kasi nga, for the past years, well, magto 2 years na pa lang naman kami this coming December. Parang hindi ko pa siya na-experience yung ganito karaming lamok. Sobrang dami niya talaga. Ayan, lumabas kami ng sasakyan. Makulimlim pa rin. Parang sabi sa weather forecast is magiging cloudy siya the whole day. Tapos mamayang mga 6 PM yata may possibility na umulan. Pero yung chances of raining is parang 35% lang. Gusto niya laging makita yung mga kabayo nitong aking mom-in-law. Ayun pinupuntahan niya. Kaso kasi meron nga ditong yung stray cat, dito na siya natutulog kasi, or dito na siya nakatira. Dito sa may barn. Natatakot ako. Be careful, baby. Grumpy might be there. Hi, Nene. Say hello, Nene. What's that? Why? We're gonna go there to Dada. You wanna go over there? What's that? A leaf? You're going to pick up leaf again? There's a lot of ants. These are the houses of the ants. Yellow? Yellow leaf? Let's take a baby. The brake broke. That peaches?
Those baby peaches?
That peaches?
Yeah, there's a lot of
Daming peaches.
no, sometimes the weather goes.
Wait, baby, don't do that. Wala dito yata ang aking mga biyanan. Wala yung mga sasakyan nila. Lumalamig na. Malakas ang hangin. Baby, I think she wants to see the cat, love. She wants to see the cat. Oh no. Yan yung gustong makita ni Zeta. Mas gusto niya talaga ang pusa kaysa sa aso. Say, come here. Come here, Norma.
Norma-chan. Come here, pretty girl. Where's Norma, baby? Where's Norma? How do you feel about Norma?
Oh no.
Norma is here. Here, Norma. Is this a pretty Norma? Come here, Norma.
Oh, now you're scared.
Is that sweet meow meow? Oh, you're pretty meow. Just gentle, baby, gentle. Gentle, we're gentle with our pets. We're gentle with our pets. Oh, you're pretty fluffy. You're big fluffy baby. You're so sweet. Where's Norma? Where is Norma? I'm gonna go find Norma. You guys play with Norma.
I want to play with the cat. I'm scared.
Oh, I don't know. But I gotta go find Norma. I didn't see him yesterday, and I told him I didn't see him today. I don't know. There's one.
I got scared. Gustong-gusto ni Zeta lapitan yung pusa. Pero pagka lumalapit na, natatakot na siya. Gusto ni Mr. talaga is nag-iikot-ikot dito itong pusa na to. Sa kanya kasi yan, kaya lang kasi nga dahil takot ako sa pusa. Hindi siya maisama doon sa bahay. And ayun, gusto niya naglalakad-lakad kasi parang overweight daw. Ang taba. We're gonna wait for Dada here. Dada's looking for the other kitty cat. Where did Dada go?
Yeah. Oh, he's so cuddly.
She likes that one.
'Cause
Then
he's
the white.
cuddly. Norma's kind of, aggressive. But Norman is just.
Are you sure she's not gonna be scratched by that?
Everybody loves Norman. There's nobody who doesn't love Norman.
Me.
Whatever. Help her on.
Come on, come on. Daddy. Go follow Dada.
Come on, boy. Where you going, man?
There, on the other side. 1, 2, 3. Go follow Dada. It's Dada. That's where. That's Dada. Go. Ay, baby, be careful. Wait. Zeta, wait. Where's the cat?
Disappear.
Oh
Let's
no.
go.
Just go play with the ball. That ball. This one. Grass. So ito guys, yung puno ng peaches. Ayan, meron na siyang mga bunga. Pero depende pa rin daw yan sa weather kung mabubuhay, sabi ni Mr. Last year wala eh, hindi siya nagbunga. Or hindi nagtuloy yung bunga. Come here, baby. Tapos ito yung mga tanim ng aking mga in-laws. Ito. Mga kamatis ata ito and peppers. Ayan. Ayan, peppers pala. Zeta, what you doing? Okay. Tapos ito pa, peppers din and tomatoes. Ayan. What's that? Let's go to Dada. Mana to si Mr. sa kanyang mga magulang, mahilig maghalaman. Si Zeta ay magpasaway. Gusto niya rin gawin yung ginagawa ng dada niya. Dumi na ng kamay. Baby, don't eat it, huh? Put it in the bucket. There. Go. Gotta do this like this. Yay.
Remember when I planted these seedlings last year?
Oh.
Well, this is how many survived, and this is how many did not survive.
Oh yeah. That's a lot.
If I had any way to protect
No,
them
she's
over the
putting the
winter,
leaves.